Everyone. I hope you all are safe at home with your families and doing well. Now, you all would have heard of this Dalgona coffee, which is taking the internet by storm. No, 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 no. This is not another Dalgona coffee video, but I decided to take this Dalgona coffee recipe one step further and make a luscious, melt in a mouth vegan frosting for your cakes and cupcakes. You can also use this on top of cold milk to make a beautiful, sweet, creamy cold coffee. Now let's see how to make this.